Happy Grand Rising, gods and goddesses. I try to wake up early in the morning, around 7:30. It depends if I'm going to the gym or if I have clients. Alright, let's go. So I soaked up my hair a little bit in the shower, and I'm gonna also apply some argan oil just to seal the moisture in my hair and my lovely locks. I hope y'all don't mind the armpit hair. You know, you gotta keep it all natural. I shave it here and there though. Then I put some Aura Glow on my skin. Make sure my skin is on point and moisturized. Then I went back into my argan oil to put some on my face because I did forget to put some on my face. Silly me.
Just trying to get by. Some people like that hurt. Some just rather say goodbye. Some people like to.
You gotta have your 1 tablespoon of apple cider in the morning. First thing into your body, gals and men. So I had these 2 bags for a while, and this is my first time actually reading them. One says nachos and naps, the other one says talk about cute. I thought that was so freaking funny. It's supplement time. I didn't get to record all of them, but you guys should get the gist of it. I have my scale right there, and I'm putting 2 ounces of water in the cup. Then I'm putting my supplement in there. After that, I'm chugging it down. I may do a supplement video soon, just so we can get more into depth with that. Then we are heading to the office. I was cleaning up my desk because my desk was really messy that day. So this is just about the end of the video. Peace out, gods and goddesses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.